Prior to taking your challenges, you'll receive an email with instructions as to what to do next. And as part of that, you'll be required to sign up to 2 software platforms. One will be Replit, which you've already done, and the second is to sign up to our community platform provided by Slack. So click on the link, and that will take you to the Slack sign-up page. So it's a 2-part process. The first thing you do is add your email address, and you'll then be expected to verify that email address. And once you've done that, you'll then be provided with a link to take you to the Create Account page. So create a username, put in a valid password, and then click on Create Account. You can also sign up to receive extra information from Slack. Once you're in there, you will be presented with an interface which along the sidebar here has what are called channels. A channel is a communication area that contains scrolling text and has been set aside for a particular kind of communication. In our case, we have general support and learning support. Make sure you drop into the general channel to say hello to your fellow students. Throughout the challenge period, you'll get to know each other, you'll share ideas, form friendships, and network with each other. Now, the second channel that you'll use is the learning support channel. Now, it's inside in this channel that you will look for guidance in helping you try and solve any issues you're having with the challenges themselves. Both channels allow you to create and/or join existing conversation threads. And we encourage you to check in to the Slack channels often and collaborate with your fellow students. You can easily attach and upload files or code snippets that you might want to share for the purpose of problem solving or just showing off your ideas and your work. Slack allows you to maintain the format of the code when you want to share it with others. You can simply paste your code into the content area and then determine the type of content so that Slack will know how to form it correctly. You can see the list of languages that Slack recognizes. In our case, we're choosing HTML. And it's very helpful to provide a title for your code snippet, along with an accompanying message that explains the reason for sharing your snippet in the first place. We also encourage you to be as clear as you can in your messaging and only share problematic code once you've made a number of genuine attempts to try and solve a challenge. You can also add emojis, you can share a message, you can star the message, and you can undertake other actions like edit, reminders, pinning, and deleting. You can also carry out further actions on your code snippet, such as downloading it, editing it, and sharing it with others. And again, we encourage you to use this excellent platform to get the very best out of your challenge experience. After all, learning is social.